Hey guys, today we're going to be comparing some planes. And yes, my last video was literally the 737 versus the A320. Oh, I didn't go to a private server. Whatever. Doesn't really matter anyway. Today we're going to be literally testing out the A330 or the butter machine. Because it's just like, yeah. Versus either the 767 or the 777. First, I want to see the size of this thing. Oh, and they both have Emirates? Since when? And I just noticed that they're both like the same size. Let's see the interior quickly. See, does it match? Nope, it does not. There's 2 rows of 3, but on the 777 there's more, I think. Let's see. Let's just spawn this thing. Nope. The 777 is gigantic. So I don't know if this is really good, but I'm gonna push back. Gosh, I'm sorry, guys. The volume's always like at a crazy speed. Like crazy. My volume's always just like that though. It's probably because like I can't hear a lot of things. I think I might do the A350. I don't know. Might do the A350 versus the 787. That might be good. Sorry, my brother's playing like blade ball or whatever downstairs. I'm upstairs because he always bothers me when I try to film. And I guess we'll do an A350 versus the 787. First, I wanted to do the A350. Okay, and everybody really just loves the A350 for a lot of reasons, but I don't really get it. I'm kidding, I do. Looks nice from the front. Looks nice everywhere. But one thing I don't really like is landing gear is like reversed. So instead of like a 777, it goes the opposite way. But anyway, I'll give the outside 9 out of 10. Doesn't really, but yeah, a lot of detail. Yeah, maybe the interior is very poor though. Like they just put the business class and then just the economy and that's it. So I'm only gonna give the interior a 4 out of 10. Look at how bare this cockpit is. Like you get the engine, like it's just black and yellow and white and stuff and some gray. So 4 out of 10 interior and then an 8 out of 10 exterior. Well, let's push back. We're gonna be the boat is planes. The A350, I don't know. A350 is like, well, it actually got into its first crash this year. Did you guys know that? Okay, probably every ad geek. How do you even ad geek, I'm gonna call it. It's AV. Let's go in the chat. It's AVGE, like this, ad geek. I don't know. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. Can you just please correct me? So let's just ATC at IRFD online. I have the ATC pass. Looks like yay, dope. Okay. Not gonna lie though, the A350 is also one of the like greenest planes in the world. Actually, I think it might be the greenest one actually. We're going to the runway all the way over there because I'm bored. And also, every time we just use that runway, so why not this one today? Go like, I don't know, 40 knots because I'm doing. I've flown this a lot in the game. Not gonna lie, it is kind of slow. I mean, I only flew it yesterday. And also the winglets are like not really like winglets. They just come straight from the wing, like a little curve. I like that detail. But even IRS. KLM. Pick up. KLM. I don't know. Maybe not. Wait, 36R is for small planes, not big ones. Gosh, why are we like drifting? I don't want to end up like that. Okay, and we don't have a ATC, so we're gonna go into here and ignite takeoff. Well, not ignite. So far though, it's already a 12 out of 20 though, so that's a good sign. But the interior is very good. Like, look at this. And, like, every plane has the same interior. Same, like, agenda thing. Look at the landing gear, guys. It goes the opposite way than most do. Oh gosh. I gotta pull up quickly. Look. So instead of going, like, the front part going up and then the back one going down, it goes the opposite. So that the front gear, I don't know, the middle two. I don't know. But the little front wheel part of the main wheel. I don't know how to really say it. It's confusing. It's like a tongue twister. Great, we got Tokyo Airport to our whole Haneda Airport to okay. Hold up, is this dude new? Alt overload. Excuse me. Alt. We've only been on 400 minutes. We're already here, and the max speed is 400 and speed is decent. But we need to anyway reverse stuff. Well, we can't reverse stuff right in the air. No, this is good out. Okay, so I think I'm doing it.
1,000.
That's good. That thing's just fast. Okay, I'm gonna go on cruise mode real quick. Like this one. I'm just see if I can do it again. Cruise mode. No. Oh. Wait, let's go through the set. We're not nose diving, by the way. We're just descending. I'm gonna put the throttle at 32%. And let's try the butter. Actually, I don't know when I end up. But imagine if I was looking at
A minimum 200.
Big idea. Wait, no, 5 stop. Oh my god, I think is it crossing? No, it's not.
40.
Let's just down real quick.
20. Then recharge.
Ah, we bettered it. Go to the left of it. Reverse thrust on. Well, overall, I'm gonna go pull this over to the side a little so that other planes can come. Just pull it to the side. Just like that. So that the runway is completely free. And like that. But flight was smooth. But so if the flight was smooth, I'll give it like, I don't know. I don't know. Wasn't that smooth though. And I don't like the reverse. So I'm giving the overall flight, a 5 out of 10. It was mid. I don't like the A350 in the game though. So that is exterior 8, interior 4, and then 5. So that adds up to 17 points. Nice. Now we're gonna go back to perks so that doesn't like nose calculate. Okay. Now let's go back to perks. Gonna do the same route. I don't know. Wait, does the 787 have Delta? I think it does. Huh? That's not how it usually is. Okay, let's see. 787 does not have Delta. So instead of Delta, we're gonna do, I guess, like, I don't want to do British Airways, but I want to do something with blue in it, though. I guess I'll just do Qantas. Oh, this is nice. Hold on, let me just do a size comparison to see if it's equal. I think it is, though. 787s and 777s have almost the same exact fuselage. Not exactly. So it's Delta versus... never mind. Actually, no. It's pretty equal. Do you guys agree? Looks pretty equal. Okay. Without further ado, let's go. I love the like wing detail. That's nice. Like, look, I like that little. It's more detailed than that. So I'll give the exterior 9 out of. Oh my gosh! They even got the little like. This is like, if they put the Rolls Royce badge, this would be a 10 out of 10 exterior. But yeah, exterior 9 out of 10, easy. Let's see the interior. Oh wow, this is much better than the A350. So I'll give the interior also a 6. It's already 15. Okay, well, let's go back. And I'm not trying to make Boeing win here, okay? Like, it's a fair. It's a fair. Is it good or bad? Actually, no. I'm giving this a 7. 16 points. Because this has so much massive. 50. But it has so much more than the A350. So, Americana, Bryce, the last one. But the exterior isn't that like exterior for the nose. Like the windshield isn't that accurate. But I guess it's just how they wanted to make it, I guess. I mean, that is difficulty. Just that, like, it's like a ripple. I don't know what to call that. The detail on the engines is crazy. Oh my gosh, everything's laggy. I'm checking the tag just in case there's more perfect. Oh, I have to wait for Americana 4310 to land. That's annoying. But I don't know. Did this go fast? Probably not. Let me just see the flaps. Did it work? Oh, there's a big flaps. Shit. Hold on, what? What's happening? Is he gonna land? Doesn't look like it. Oh, he's coming. Wait. Instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly do a rolling takeoff. I don't wanna collide. Let's go! Dum, 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 dum. 4, 3, 1, 0. Still, come on. Let's see what the landing gear is on this thing. I already forget. No. Just how I don't like the reverse concept. Now let's go up. This is not like a vertical takeoff. Let's just move away, I guess, a little early. see what it looks like from here. Like if I were to do a vertical picture. Wings, I think the size of the wings would be more up. I don't know. Have you guys ever saw like the KLM or is it Vietnam? Like for the vertical what did you do? I thought I had a video in my house. One top. You've already 15 things, but the A350 only got 17. Oh, is also pretty cool. Oh, they both go the same exact speed. That's cool. Even though the A350 is a little bigger, this is slow down at a decent speed. But I don't know if it's in time or speed. Also overload. I'm gonna go on cruise mode. Cruise mode? Yeah. We don't need too much now, so 31. Come on, dude. Oh, geez, somebody outside is on the room, buddy. Landing gear deployed. I think it's truck. Well, let's just go right. Yeah, let's right, guys. Overall flight, I'll give like 1 out of 10. 21 out of 10. I mean, 21 out of 10. That was great. Oh God, are we even aligned properly? No, we're not aligned. That's a long time.
10.
Yeah, it's not buttery. That was really hard. Let's pull off to the side where this slow down pretty good though. Okay, so this one was a 21 out of 20. Not really a debate, but I still think Boeing would win. Like, just look at the detail there. Look at it. Look at the little, like, it looks like spikes from here, but then when you go closer, it looks different. But yeah, Boeing wins. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.